Hi guys, Big Phil here and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be checking out a very interesting device. A device that reminds me that technology is taking over everything. A smart ring. Yes guys, we have a smart ring in the building and I'm super excited to check it out. And I will consider the smart ring to be an alternative to smartwatches because smart ring can do almost the same thing as a smartwatch. They could track your heart rate, your sleep, your calorie burn, your stress count, your step, and so many things. And the benefit of a smart ring is the fact that they are much more smaller and much lighter. So you can wear your ring, all day, all night, take them everywhere, shower, swim, everything with a ring because a ring is much smaller than a smartwatch. So we're going to check out this one. This one is from the company RingConn, a new player into the business, into the game of smart ring. And we're going to check out how this one look like, what are the features, and at the end of the video, I'm going to answer the most important question in your mind right now, which is, should you consider a smart ring? Should you buy a smart ring? Let's find out everything in today's video. But please, if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button for a lot of good videos come up on Big Phil TV. Alright, before I unbox this smart ring from RingConn and show you guys what it looks like, let's talk about the features that comes with this ring. First, it has an IP68 water and dust resistant, which is a great thing because a ring is something you wear all the time. You take it to places, you take it swimming, shower, everything. So IP68, I think is great. It has sleep tracking, all the heart rate tracking, blood oxygen feature, stress tracking, and 7 days of battery life. And the ring comes in 9 different sizes. We're going to talk more about the sizes later in this video. So for now, let's open it up and see what it looks like or how it looks like. Now let's open it up. But first, I will first of all appreciate the packaging of this ring, man. The packaging is incredible. Nice box. I really like it. So you pop it open just like this. The first thing you can see is a card. Know yourself better. That's nice. Then right here it has a little message. You can pause the video and read it. And the first thing on top of here is the ring, guys. This is it. And as you can see, I went with the gold one. It's called pale gold, I think so. I like this color, man. It looks exactly as a ring. Just check it out. A ring with smart features. Let's put it on the side and see what else comes in here. On the bottom, we have the charging cradle. It's just like a little box. Oh, it looks nice. Feels good. Nice build quality, guys. Feels good, steady, solid. So if you want to charge your ring, because the battery can last you 7 days on a single charge. So if you want to charge it, you simply drop it in here. Let me see. How do you put it? Okay, drop it like this and close it. And it charge. Yeah. It's cool. So the charging cradle is very nice. It has the company logo right here. Let's see what else comes in here. What else do we have? All right, we have a compartment at the bottom. This should be the user's guide right here. And the last thing we have at the bottom is a charging cable, guys. It also comes with charging cable and it's very long. This is nice. USB type A to type C. Let's talk about the charging cradle. And as I mentioned earlier, it is solid. It has a very nice build. The build quality is good. It feels good. It looks good. At the back of the charging cradle, we have the USB type C input. That's where you're going to charge it because according to the company, the battery in here can charge your ring for up to 22 times, which is good. And at the front, we have one LED indicator. When you pop it open, this is where you're going to charge the ring. You just simply drop it in here, automatically start charging. And as you can see in here, it has the number 10, which is the size of the ring. And talking about the size of the ring, I know most of you guys will be wondering, how can I get the perfect size for my finger? The company got it well. There is a perfect solution. This is the first thing the company will send to you, which is a sizing kit. It comes in 9 different sizes. And with this little pamphlet right here explaining how you can do it. So you know what? I'm going to drop a link of a separate video I made about a sizing kit for the RingConn Smart Ring. The video explained the different sizes, which finger is better to use a smart ring on, the colors, and how to choose the perfect size for better and optimized result. And about the ring itself, it looks good. It looks like a ring. I mean, as you can see right here, it's an actual ring, but with all the smart features. The build quality of the ring is great. According to the company, the material they use for making the ring is titanium, and everybody knows titanium is lighter and very durable, which is a great thing. So as you can see, it looks like a ring. If you put it on the table, somebody would think it's an actual ring. But when you look from the inside, those are all the sensors right here. The sensors are there. And the part in which the pin, there are 2 pins which has to connect in the charging case to start charging. And the most important thing is the size. You got to make sure you have a perfect size. So when you put it on, there is a contact between the sensors and your skin. So yeah, this is going to look like this. That's how mine looks like. But I think most people put smart ring on this finger right here. I don't know why, but I prefer it. I love rings on this finger. The RingConn Smart Ring has some few benefits as compared to other smart rings in the market. The most important one is the price. This ring is much cheaper. It costs, I would say, half the price of other smart rings in the market. Another great thing about RingConn is how much it weighs. It weighs 3.5 grams, which is very light. With this ring, I can put it on all day. Apart from that, you also have free subscription with the RingConn. Yeah. With other smart rings, you have to pay monthly for their subscription. But with the RingConn, the subscription is free. One important thing to do is to connect the ring to your smartphone. And the process is very simple. You have to download the app, which is available for Android and iOS, onto your smartphone. And to download the app, you can scan the QR code that's available on the user's guide. You scan it. And once you scan it, it's going to take you onto the app. And in the app, we have information about the different health features. Like right here, we got sleep, and sleep is blank because I haven't taken it to bed yet. We got activities, and I've just used it for a few minutes right now, giving my calories, 6 calorie burn. Activity duration is right there. The stress is right here. Then if you click on me at the bottom here, it shows you every information about the ring. Like right now, it's connected. The battery percentage is at 100%. What I'm going to do right now is to use this ring for at least a whole day, gather all the different information, test out all the different features, so I'll be able to give you guys my honest thoughts in this video. So by the end of this video, I'll let you guys know how good is the RingConn or what are the drawbacks about this ring. Please stay tuned to the end. Alright guys, I have tested the RingConn Smart Ring for 2 days now, 2 days straight. And for those 2 days, I've done so much with this ring on my finger. So much. Let's start with the fact that this smart ring has an IP68 water and dust resistant. To me, it is great because a smart ring is something that stays on your finger at all time. For those 2 days, I've washed my hands like 1,000 times. I've cooked with a ring on my finger. I've worked in my garden with a ring on my finger. I've taken showers with a ring on my finger. I've done so much with this ring on my finger. And for those 2 days, there is no issue. I mean, even scratches, nothing on the ring. So I really like the fact that the ring has an IP68 water and dust resistant. The health features are another thing I like about this smart ring because those features work really great. I mean, the ring has lots of features which I mentioned earlier in this video, and all those health features works very well. The ring can tell you when you're inactive, like if you sit down for like 50 minutes or for longer, the ring will let you know, but all the information is sent through your phone because the ring doesn't have a screen, so every information is sent on your screen. And in terms of step count, in this morning I took my Galaxy Watch, I put on my Galaxy Watch, and with the ring this morning, and the step count is very similar on both devices. A little bit more on the ring than the Galaxy Watch because I had the ring much earlier. The stress count works very well. The sleep tracking, great. So all those health features works very well on this smart ring, and they are very accurate too. The reason why I'm saying the results from this smart ring are accurate is because I always have a smartwatch on. So when I have a smartwatch and a smart ring, I'll be able to know how are the results. And for those 2 days that I've been using the smart ring while having a smartwatch on, the results were very similar. So it's a good reason to say this smart ring is accurate. But unfortunately, some of those health features are not available as of right now. Things like respiration rate, skin temperature, nap monitoring are not available right now. But according to the company, those features will be added for mass production. This is just a pre-production unit. The battery life is great, and I believe the 7 days that the company claimed can be achieved. That's because the first day I put this watch on, the battery was at 100%, and at night time I checked the battery percentage, it went down to 95%, only 5% gone. That is good. That's a good sign. That means you'll be able to achieve even more than 7 days with the battery of this smart ring. My only drawback would be the fact that some of the features are not yet available on this smart ring. But remember, I have the pre-production unit. So if you guys are buying it right now, you will have the production unit and they will have all those features. And another thing I'll say is the charging case. It attracts so much fingerprint. Just check it out. It's a fingerprint magnet. So yeah, apart from those 2 drawbacks, this smart ring is great. I love it. And I highly recommend it. Just click the link in the description below to find out more about this ring. Or if you watch this video and you decide that yes, you want a smart ring, this is a ring that you should consider. Click the link in the description below. Yeah, and thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any question about this smart ring, drop it down in the comment section. I'll reply to all questions. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button for a lot of good videos come up on Big Phil TV. Until then, see you into the next one. Peace.